For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a beauty parlor is a rewarding venture that blends creativity with business skills. With free AI tools now widely accessible, aspiring beauty entrepreneurs can dramatically cut startup costs while increasing their chances of success. From planning and branding to marketing and daily operations, AI tools can help automate, guide, and enhance nearly every part of the process. This step-by-step guide will walk you through how to launch a beauty parlor business using free AI tools, complete with suggested prompt text you can use to maximize their potential. Step 1. Define your business concept. Before you begin spending money or searching for a location, clarify what kind of beauty parlor you want to launch. Will you focus on hairstyling, skincare, makeup, nails, or a combination? What kind of clientele do you want to serve? Budget-friendly, luxury, eco-conscious, or specialty services? Use ChatGPT to define your concept by prompting. Act as a beauty industry expert. Help me define a beauty parlor business concept that is unique, profitable, and tailored to your location or target demographic. You can also use Notion AI or Google Gemini to help you brainstorm service menus, niche offerings, and target customer personas by asking. Create customer profiles and pain points for a beauty parlor that offers, e.g., organic skincare and hair care services in your city. Step 2. Write a business plan using AI. A business plan helps you lay out your goals, budget, and operational plan clearly. This will also help if you need to approach lenders or investors. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create a full business plan for a new beauty parlor business in your city, targeting your audience. Include sections such as executive summary, market analysis, services offered, pricing strategy, location strategy, marketing plan, and financial projections. You can copy this into a Google Doc or use a tool like Canva Docs to make it visually appealing if needed for presentation. Step 3. Choose a name and create a brand. Your brand is your parlor's personality. It includes your name, logo, colors, and the way you communicate with customers. Try ChatGPT or Namelyx for naming ideas. Use a prompt like, suggest 10 unique, classy, and brandiable names for a beauty parlor targeting professional women aged 25 to 45. To design a free logo, use Canva's free logo maker. You can prompt ChatGPT to describe a logo style to input into Canva. Describe a logo design for a high-end beauty parlor called Glow Nest. Use soft colors, elegant fonts, and an icon that suggests natural beauty. Step 4. Register your business and handle legal setup. Even though AI won't replace legal help, it can guide you through the process. Use ChatGPT with a prompt. List the steps to legally register a beauty parlor business in your city, state. Include licenses, permits, and insurance requirements. You can also use AI to draft client waiver forms, service disclaimers, or employee agreements by asking. Write a simple client waiver form for skincare and hair treatments for a small beauty parlor. Step 5. Select a location and design the space. The location should match your target audience's lifestyle. For example, a premium parlor might do well in a business district, while a family-friendly one may thrive near suburban malls. Use Google Maps with AI-enhanced plugins like AI Search in Google's Notebook LM or ChatGPT's browsing tool, if available, and prompt. Find affordable storefront rental options for a small beauty parlor in specific zip code or neighborhood, ideally with high foot traffic. For interior design layout, you can use tools like RoomGPT to visualize how your parlor will look. Prompt it with, design a modern and cozy beauty parlor layout for a 500 square foot space with 2 hair stations, a nail bar, and a facial room. Step 6. Build an online presence. Your website and social media accounts are essential. You can use Canva AI or Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, to build a simple website for free. Use this ChatGPT prompt. Write a one-page website copy for a beauty parlor that offers hair, nail, and skincare services. The tone should be friendly, inviting, and professional. Also ask, create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for promoting a new beauty parlor opening in your location. Focus on engagement and brand awareness. Step 7. Market your business with AI-powered campaigns. Promotions and marketing campaigns are key to getting customers in the door. Free AI tools like MailChimp for email campaigns, ChatGPT for ad copy, and Canva for visuals make it easy. Use ChatGPT to create a launch campaign. Create a marketing plan for launching a beauty parlor with a limited budget. Include online ads, local outreach, referral programs, and grand opening promotions. Then prompt. Write 5 Google ad headlines and descriptions for a new beauty parlor offering 20% off first-time visits. Design flyers, social posts, and ads with Canva AI by uploading your brand assets and using their magic design tools. Step 8. Hire and train staff with AI help. You may need beauticians, receptionists, and assistants. Use ChatGPT to write job postings. Write a job description for a licensed hairstylist with 3+ years of experience for a friendly, upscale beauty parlor in your city. Include responsibilities and key qualifications. To train your team or standardize procedures, ask ChatGPT. Create a staff training manual for a beauty parlor that covers customer service, hygiene practices, appointment handling, and service protocols. Step 9. Manage daily operations efficiently. Use free AI tools like Trello for task management, Google Sheets with AI plugins for scheduling and budgeting, and ChatGPT for handling client scripts or SOPs. Prompt ChatGPT with, create a daily operations checklist for a small beauty parlor, including opening and closing duties, client follow-up, and inventory checks. You can also ask, draft an appointment confirmation text message and a no-show policy to be sent via SMS or WhatsApp. Conclusion. Starting a beauty parlor no longer has to be a costly or overwhelming process. Free AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Wix, Trello, Namalix, and MailChimp can guide, automate, and elevate each step of your business journey, from concept to launch to long-term growth. By pairing your creative passion with AI-powered strategies, you can build a modern, successful beauty parlor that delivers value to clients while being smart and efficient behind the scenes. Let technology amplify your vision, and your business can shine even before the first customer walks in the door. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.